Hello and welcome to another crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make these simple crochet flowers. I made these in red, white and blue for our Constitution Day in Norway, that's 17th of May. But these would also work for the 4th of July. But you can also make these in different colors and just put them on your bag or clothes or something. I'm going to use a 3mm crochet hook, but these are made with a 3.5mm and they are about 9 centimeter. So those we are making today will be a little smaller. Also, I have a tapestry needle and scissors. So here are my colors. This blue is a little thicker because I didn't have anything similar. But these are the same yarn. This is like sports weight yarn. So we're going to start off with the magic ring. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I make YouTube tutorials. Also, I have a blog where I share my free crochet patterns. So don't forget to check that out. This will also be posted on my blog eventually. But first, we're going to make a magic ring. And you're just going to hold your yarn with the tail towards you. And you're gonna grab this one and you're gonna wrap it around your long finger and your index finger. And I'm just turning my hand, and then I grab the yarn furthest away from my hook. I pull up a loop and I twist it like this, and then I remove my hands. And now I have a ring, and I'm going to secure the ring with a chain 1. Here is our ring. You can adjust it if you pull here. And now we're going to chain 2. I already chained 1, so I'm going to chain 1 more. And in this ring we're going to do 16 half double crochets. So the first 2 chains does not count as a stitch. So yarn over, like this, yarn over, go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. So now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's 1 half double crochet, and we're going to do 15 more of those. So 2, 3, 5. So when you have gotten to your last stitch, you're going to finish with a new color. So yarn over here, grab the yarn and pull up a loop. Now let go of the red yarn and grab your white yarn or the other color. And we're going to make the last pull through with a new color. So we have a nice color change, and go into the first half double crochet and do a slip stitch like so. And now I'm just going to count. So I have 16 half double crochets, and now we can cut the red yarn. So now we're going to make round 2. This round first we're going to make the loops for the petals. So chain 3, the first chain count as 1 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. And now I'm going to skip a stitch. I'm going to go into the next one, and I'm going to do a single crochet in the next one. So to do a single crochet, insert the hook in the stitch, grab the yarn and pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, skip 1 and do a single crochet in the next. We're going to repeat this all the way around. Chain 2, skip 1, go into the next one and do your single crochet. So chain 2, skip 1 and single crochet in the next one, and repeat all the way around. So here is the last one. I'm gonna do a slip stitch in the first chain that we made, and now you should have 8 chain spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the next, now we're gonna do 1 slip stitch into the first chain space. So go there and do a slip stitch, chain 2, 1 and 2, and now I'm gonna do 3 double crochets here in the chain space. So yarn over, go into the chain space, grab the yarn and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and we're going to do a slip stitch back into the same chain space. So here, go there and do a slip stitch, and now you made 1 petal. We're going to repeat this all the way around, so slip stitch into the next chain space, chain 2, and do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and chain 2, 1 and 2, and do a slip stitch. Oh, here I pulled up, so went between the stitch, so I'm just undoing that. Chain 2 and a slip stitch back into the same chain space. Now we have 2 petals, and we're going to do this all the way around, a slip stitch, a chain 2, and 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 2 and a slip stitch. So go ahead and repeat this all the way around. So I'm just going to take a moment here to weave in the ends. So here, grabbing my tapestry needle and just going to go here on the surface part of the stitches. If you need something to attach the flower on later, you can only weave in the middle part here. And here, this is where the magic ring is. And now continue and do the petals. So here I'm finishing my last petal. I'm doing the chain 2 back into the same chain space, doing my slip stitch, and then I'm just gonna go here into the first stitch, the first chain, and do a slip stitch to finish off. Now cut the yarn like so, and this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna do the blue ones, and for that one we're gonna turn the work and work on the back side. So here between the petals you can see like that there are some vertical bars here. So those we're gonna crochet into those here, and we're gonna make chains around it. So I'm grabbing my yarn here, my blue yarn, and I'm hooking it onto the needle. So here just go a random place here and find the strands and do a slip stitch And now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and go into the next, between the next petal here, those stitches, and do your slip stitch like so, and 3 chains again, 1, 2 and 3, and repeat. Just here is the like this and that one. Grab the bars, go through the bars here, grab the yarn and pull through with a slip stitch. And we're going to repeat all the way around. Chain 3 here, and chain 3 and do your slip stitch, and 1, 2 and 3. And now I'm just going to do a slip stitch here in the first chain that we made. And now you can turn your work here like so, and now we're going to crochet here into the chain spaces that we made. I'm just going to do a slip stitch here into the first one, and now we can start. You're going to chain 2, and in each one I'm going to do 5 double crochets. So here chain 2 and do your double crochets here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and chain 2 and do a slip stitch back into the same chain space, just like we did on the previous round. And now this is how it looks. My last petals are a little bigger than yours if you're using the same yarn, because this yarn is a little thicker, but I don't mind that they are a little bigger. I like the look. So, and now do a slip stitch into the next chain space and repeat. Chain 2 and 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and chain 2. Slip stitch into the same chain space, and this is what you will repeat all the way around. And I will meet you when I'm on the last one. So here I'm at the last one. I have made my 2 chains, and I'm going to do a slip stitch here back into the chain space. To finish off, I'm just going to do a slip stitch here in the first chain, and like so, and then we're going to cut the yarn, and then we're just going to weave in the ends. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. First is white, so just go through the stitches here a little bit, and back. And I'll cut the yarn. And then this one, this is a little thicker, so I have a different one here. Just pulling a little bit on the yarn here. So this was a simple, quick project. I hope you liked it. Can use this for bag accessory or for like National Day, or maybe just make some flowers just for fun. So this is what this looks like, and here are the others. I hope that you like this pattern, and please be sure to visit my blog and also check out my channel and leave me a follow and a comment or a like. I hope you have a nice day. I will see you soon. Goodbye.